key point 1. We will do according to key points. What we did is understanding of the concepts. Key point 1. Squares of the numbers. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. In that one, type 1. Type 1. Multiple types we will discuss. Type 1. 15 into 15, which is 225. 25 into 25, which is 625. 15 into 25, which is 375. Very, very important concept. If it is ending with 5, 1 is an odd number. Again 1 is an odd number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. 1 is an odd number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. In the first two cases, what are the last two digits? Last two digits is 25. When you multiply two odd numbers ending with 5 and two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits is 25, else it is 75. Please write down this concept. When you multiply any two odd numbers ending with 5 or any two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits will be 25, else the last two digits will be 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. Even 5 into even 5, 25. Odd 5 into even 5, 75. This is a concept. This is the concept. Now, examples we will do, it should be extremely clear to you. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. Even 5 into even 5, 25. Odd 5 into even 5, 75. Now, examples. Examples. First example. First example. Find the last two digits for. Find the last two digits for 535 into 865 into 475 into 195 into 235. Find the last two digits for 535 into 865 into 475 into 195 into 235. Forget about these 5. Just determine the tens place nature. Tens place nature. 53 is an odd number or 3 is an odd number. A number is said to be an odd number if the unit digit is an odd number. 86 is an even number. 47 is an odd number. 99 is an odd number. 23, 3 is an odd number. I hope it is clear. Odd 5 into even 5, 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25 into odd 5. 2 is an odd number. 2 is an even number. 7 is an odd number. Odd 5 into odd 5, even 5. So 25 into 25, even and even. Last two digits is 25. Last two digits is 25. 5 omit it, that will do it little later. A number is said to be an odd number if the unit digit is an odd number. If the unit digit is an odd number. So 53, it is an odd number. 86, even number. 47, odd number. 19, odd number. 23, odd number. Odd 5 into even 5, 75. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25 into odd 5. 7 is odd, 2 is even. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. 25 into 25. Answer is 25. First question. I hope it is clear. Second question. Second question. Rambabu. Second one. Please write down. ఇక్కడ దోమలు వస్తున్నాయి. రూమ్ ఫ్రెషనర్ చల్లు. యాడ్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నావా? సెకండ్ వన్.